Go.
Good afternoon, everybody. Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope everybody's doing well today. We have for you our 2021 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This is the redesign Montauk did for its 60th anniversary in 2018 and did an incredible keel up redesign. Which I'm going to show you a lot of the good features that is added on to this boat. We'll start on the back transom. We have a Mercury 115 4-stroke. This is an upgraded motor from the standard 90, and when you get the ski tow bar, it provides that horsepower and that torque to really get your skiers and your wakeboarders up on plane. With this boat, we optioned out the back transom port and starboard seats with removable backrests. So you can see when you remove everything in here, you now have 4 rod holders on the back for trolling or holding flags or anything else on board. And then these cushions also come out, so you have easy walkability room from your swim platform on the back. Also note with the swim platform, we did the classic teak look on the back and did the side boarding platforms as well on the boat. So great cockpit area in the back here. You'll notice now you have an integrated 25-gallon fuel tank. So that was one of the major upgrades Whaler did for the 60th anniversary redo. And then we have a very nice reverse piloting seat with storage underneath, and you can also do an optional live well on this boat if you wanted to. Approaching the helm, great seating position when you have this as a leaning post, and then still great visibility when you're sitting down driving the vessel. Have a nice 9-inch Raymarine Axiom chart plotter on board, and then Fusion Bluetooth stereo with JL audio speakers. So great dash gauges, all your rocker switches, everything's really simple, easy to take care of, and that's why they call this boat the spray and go, because you can take all the cushions out and keep everything really clean and dry for the next time you're on the boat. So optional bimini top up top in here in black, and then as we approach the front, great igloo cooler with cushion and backrests and more rod holders up front. And now with the new redesign, we have our bow cushions, and then underneath you'll have a fish box with drain and then your separate anchor locker. So nice to have those features on board there. And then we have an optional trolling motor. But great platform ability, and this boat feels so much bigger than it is. With the 7'3" beam, you have that beam stays true the whole way through the boat. So really comfortable and a really dry, safe boat as well to enjoy out in the water. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. And my name is Chris Honig, and look forward to helping you soon. Thank you.